Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I just did my hair, curling it. I cut my hair around 3 inches, so if you can see, it's not so long. And then I curl it using my Babyliss curling iron. And I also cut my bangs. See, I have a little bit of bangs here. So by having bangs, this will give you like younger look, yeah. And then I have my makeup for today. This is my makeup for today, and I use this product for my lipstick. This Supreme lipstick advanced by Everbelina. I bought it in the Philippines. So that's my makeup for today, and I will be going to Antwerp together with my son, and we will have a nice day together with my friend. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and you can always drop a comment if you like this new hairstyle. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!